Well, this is the problem. When you upload your first video on YouTube, it is very hard to get views, and views is one of the most important thing on YouTube. If you don't get views to your YouTube channel, you may not gonna have subscribers, likes, and even someone who should comment on your video. Even me, the time that I was starting this channel, I was not getting any views to my channel until I fix it. Then I start seeing some views, because I was thinking YouTube did not want to push my video when the problem was me. But today in this video, I'm going to show you how to skyrocket your YouTube views with these 3 tips. But actually by applying these 3 methods that I'm going to show you. But before we are going, on my channel I make tips video about YouTube and some stuff like that. If you are new to the channel, please make sure don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. So this is the 3 main things that will help you skyrocket your YouTube views from 0 to success. First of all, let's start with the tags. Yes, YouTube tags. Well, did you know that tags is one of the most important things on your YouTube videos to get views and even to get a lot of impression onto your video? For example, let's say I make video on how to start a YouTube channel in 2024 and I don't put no more tags to that video. Well, that video will be very hard to get views because that video will not rank on sidebar and no one will not gonna see it. How about if I make video on that the same topic and I add tags to the video, and if I add different tags that go currently with my niche? For example, if I add on how to start a YouTube channel, how to be a YouTuber, how to be successful on YouTube, well, if people search for similar topic like this, YouTube will rank my video to the sidebar and YouTube will directly push your video to them easily, and after this the algorithm will start pushing your video to a lot of people, and with this it may help you get a lot of views and even subscribers to your YouTube channel. And the important thing of tags is to help the algorithm understand what your video is about, and this is the bad side of adding tags to your YouTube video, because when you use too many tags, it can cause confusion for what your video is actually about. So to use tags to your video, you can use them, but don't do a lot of tags to your video, or just make it maximum or a tags that go with your niche. Well, the second part is the visibility. When you finally turn off your views, well, you let no one see your YouTube video, how will they watch it? So to fix this problem, go to your YouTube studio and click your video, and look upside, you will see a pen. Click it and you will see a bunch of stuff, but just click the visibility. You will gonna see these 3 things. The first one is public, unlisted, and private. So for the number 1, that one is the public. With that one, anyone can search your video and they can watch it too. So the second one, that one is the unlisted. So the unlisted, anyone with the link can watch your video. So the number 3 one, this one is the private. Only people that you choose to watch the video can able to watch it. So with these 3 methods, all of the options will not make you have views, but only the first one will gonna help you get views and subscribers. That one is the public. So to avoid these 2 options very well to welcome your views. So if all of this don't work for you, then you may check the number 3 one. That one is the description. Well, you see, description is one of the most powerful tools to high rank your YouTube video to get a lot of views. According to Google, description tell YouTube algorithm and your views what the video is about, whether it's basketball or gaming, education, or even vlogging. Yes, for example, if you are making vlogging content, your description will be in 2 parts. The first one, you may write the story of your YouTube video, why you create the video. For example, I made the content about to meet Mr. Beast in real life. I will explain it in the description. It took 2 weeks to me to meet Mr. Beast. I was thinking this will not happen. For a week of contacting his manager on Instagram, and it happened. So you may write it like this on the first face. So the second part of the description will be like this. I spent 24 hours to meet Mr. Beast. I spent 24 hours to watch celebrities. So with this method, if people search I spent 24 hours or I traveled to California or some stuff like that, the algorithm will push your video to them and they will watch your video. So if you create your description like this, YouTube will recommend your video to many people and your video may be ranked on sidebar. And you may end up getting a lot of views, and views is the thing that will bring a lot of subscribers and a lot of likes to push your video to more people, and views is the thing that will bring a lot of subscribers and a lot of likes to push your video to more people. So thank you for watching, and make sure don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. See you next time. Bye.